Hello everyone. On this video we will try to learn about for loop in Python. A for loop is used to iterate over a sequence or other iterable objects. In simple terms we can call it as traversing. The sequence can be of any of the type like list, tuple, string, etc. If you are not aware about list, string or tuple, please go through my previous videos. Now let us try to understand it. This is the syntax where val is the variable that takes the value of a sequence on each iteration, and based on that body will be working. Okay, now let us take an example. I'm going to declare a variable called L and I'm going to give data to it, elements to it. This variable is a type of list. Okay, you can, if you are comfortable with tuple or strings, you can take that. Okay, so this list I have declared and I'm going to take a for loop. So I is the value which is taking the variable data of list L. Okay, and I'm printing I. So that is nothing but it will repeatedly print the data present in your list. Okay, now let me try to run it. See, the data has got printed. So this is about for loop. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe my channel.